How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm doing a battle with my friend, and I'm recording on my phone. So yeah, okay, we are playing an OU battle. So yeah, I will try to read his. We already battled once, and yeah, let's send out our Tyranitar. I am the meme lord. Hello, he said I am the meme lord. So we send out our Tyranitar as usual. So he might go for a Scar. So let's predict it and go for. So he sent out his old Skulk. Okay, he went for Trick Room. Yep. Works very well in Trick Room. If isn't for mine is and Speedy best one. So that's bad. Should have gone for Thunderbolt. So let's go into Caesar choice card. So if he tries to be greedy, let me pull this sound down. If he tries to, oh okay, we have bullet punch. So I should have not have. Oh, should have gone for U-turn, but whatever. Uh, okay, I send it to Rotom. He's setting up curse. He is trying to sweep me. No sweeps for you today, my friend. Let's attack and wait. World switch out. Okay, it's registered. Bye bye, slow bro. Bye bye. So let's bring out our other U-turn. Pivoting is so good in singles, man. So that since the trick room is gone, I think we basically can outspeed everything with the choice scarf. I think that yes, we can outspeed that Raichu. I think Valkarana is a maybe. Okay, he sent out this thing. Why did I have Aerial and dual wing bait? Uh, you know what? I'll go for this dual wing bait. Yeah, we done 20, 21. Close combat, yes. Yes, now our dual wing bit can cave it. So let's attack him with another dual wing bit. Now this is an absolute KO. Yes. Bye bye Haxorus. So we can pivot now. Big tank. Let's switch out into Kingdra. That thing has okay, it critted us. Of course it would crit us. Why wouldn't it? So let's go for should I okay, let's go for flip turn on the earthquake. On to Rotom. Let's see how we read him. Yes. Pivoting is so good in singles. I mean, I'm not in that big of a doubles player, but let's go for this hydro effing pump. Bye bye, big tank. So, yeah, Venusaur. It will go for sunny day. So, I'll go for the volt switch on the sunny day. Yes, it will go for sunny day now. So, I will bring out Tyranitar. I know his father will go for. He'll go for sunny day, but yeah, he'll go for solar beam this turn, which I will read the switching into Caesar. So let's see. Yes, I read it correctly. So I mean we are 376, but he has double speed. Oh, should I go for U-turn? I will go for dual wing bait. I think he is not specs because he just went for that move. He won against me last time. Of course we'll get reconnected. I'll see you guys when I got reconnected. Okay guys, I am back. So basically counter this with my Tyranitar. So he should go for this two-turn. He'll go for this sunny day. Yes. Now my team is heavily weak to ground. I will sack this Kingdra because it's looking bad. This matchup is looking bad. So we'll basically giving him a free KO. Let's bring out this Tyranitar. So now he'll definitely go for sunny day. So let's attack with his Both are neutral. I'll go for Stone Age because of stab. Yes, we'll do 91%. So it doesn't have any priority moves. So let's, yeah, okay. Our team is heavily weak to solar beam, so this seems stupid, but I'll sack this thing. Yes. So let's switch into Tyranitar. Yeah, and I do not want to risk the Stone Edge miss, so I'll go for this much safer crunch. So yeah, oof, this is hard. Okay. Well, okay, let's go for Stone Edge. Don't you? Yes, he'll go for that. Don't miss. Of course, of course. Of course it would miss. Why wouldn't it? Wow, he's really going for the greedy place, boys. Bye bye, Firaga. GG. So we basically defeated him. GG. So good play by you. But Electro Ball won't do shit. Thundra. So yeah, that's the video for you guys. I'll see you guys. But I will not record video. Peace.